Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a background image on Wix Studio so you can create a high-end visual experience, showcase your photography, or set a professional backdrop for your software tutorials in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Wix Studio editor and select your target section. The first step is identifying the exact area of your site where you want the visual impact of a background image. In Wix Studio, backgrounds are handled within containers or sections, which allows for a perfectly responsive layout on any device. Log in to your Wix Studio editor, navigate to the page you want to enhance, and click on the empty space of the section where you want the image to appear. Ensure the blue bounding box is visible, confirming that the specific section is active and ready for its new design layer. This is the canvas phase. By selecting a specific section, you are telling the editor that this image should be the foundation for everything else, like your text and call to action buttons, ensuring they stay layered correctly on top. Next, open the Inspector panel and find the Background section. To change the background from a flat color to a dynamic image, you need to use the professional design tools located on the right side of your screen. Once your section is selected, look at the Inspector panel that slides out from the right. Under the Design tab, scroll down until you see the header labeled Background. You will see options for color, image, and video. Click on the image icon. It looks like a small mountain landscape. In 2026, the Inspector panel is the control center for all high-end styling. Using this sidebar ensures that your image is applied as a true background, meaning it will automatically scale to fill the entire container without you having to manually resize it. Lastly, upload your high-quality imagery to the Media Manager. Now that the image slot is open, you need to bring in your own professional content. Whether it's a candid lifestyle shot or a technical graphic, the quality of this file will define the vibe of your page. Clicking the image icon will open the Wix Media Manager. Click the blue Upload Media button and select your file from your PC. For a professional studio look, choose a high-resolution WebP or JPEG file. Once the upload finishes, select the image and click Change Background. The Media Manager automatically creates multiple versions of your image at different sizes. This smart scaling ensures that your viewers on mobile don't have to download a massive desktop-sized file, keeping your site fast and optimized. And that's pretty much it. To add a background image in 2026, select your section in Wix Studio and use the Inspector panel on the right to choose the image option. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.